warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. We are group 9 and today we will present our topic, Translation in English Literature. In this presentation, we will discuss the definition, importance, challenge, and the role of translators in the literature. We hope our explanation will give you a clear understanding of this topic. Let's begin. Next. What is translation? On this slide, we can see what translation actually means. It's not only changing words from one language to another. In literature, translation also involves capturing tone, style, cultural meaning, and artistic essence. So it's both a skill and an art that needs linguistic ability and cultural sensitivity. Next, the importance of translation in literature. This slide shows why translation is important in literature. It gives global access to ideas and stories from different cultures, unlocks masterpieces that would otherwise stay hidden, and help readers get a deeper understanding of human experience across time and place. Next, slide 3. Historical background of literary translation. Here we talk a bit about the history of literary translation. It started in ancient Greece and Rome with epic and philosophy. Then religious texts like the Septuagint and the Latin Psalter shaped culture and history. And over time, modern classics such as The Little Prince have become some of the most translated works in the world. Next, slide 4, challenge in translating literature. This slide highlights the challenge. Translators need to deal with cultural nuances and idioms, preserve the author voice and style, keep the rhythm and feeling of poetry, and handle concepts that simply don't have a direct equivalent in the target language. Okay, next will be read by Nabila.
Challenges in translating literature. Literary translation is fraught with complexities, demanding ingenuity to recreate the original's magic while navigating linguistic and cultural gaps. Cultural nuances, capturing cultural nuances and idioms that have no direct equivalence in the target language. Poetic integrity, translating poetry, rhythm, rhyme, and sound patterns while maintaining emotional impact. Preserving voice, maintaining the author's unique voice, style, and literary device amidst linguistic difference. Untrustable concept, handling invented words, historical context, and concept creatively with no direct translation. Approaches to literary translation. Translators employ various strategies to bridge the gap between language and cultures, answering the spirit of the original authors. Balancing fidelity, literal versus creativity, balancing faithfulness to the original with cultural adaptation, cultural equivalence, using adaptation to bridge gaps without distorting meaning, enhancing understanding, notation, employing footnotes or notation to explain culturally specific reference, translation and localization techniques to preserve tone and reader engagement, adapting for local audience. Notable examples of translated literature. These iconic works demonstrate the profound impact of translation, transcending linguistic borders to reach millions worldwide. The Bible, most translated book, foundational for religious and literary traditions. Harry Potter, modern phenomenon, translated worldwide, adapting cultural reference. The Little Prince, universally beloved, translated into over 300 languages. Du Jing, ancient philosophy, reaching global audience through translation. Next, Latifa.
Okay, next, the role of the translator. Translators are the unsung heroes of global literature, meticulously weaving the threads of meaning and emotion from one language to another. First is act as a cultural mediator, breaking linguistic and cultural divides. Two is requires deep understanding of source and target languages, literary styles, and historical context. Three is balances faithfulness to the original with readability and resonance for new audiences. Four is translators shape how literature is received and understood globally. Next. Okay, visual moment, the translator's dilemma. Next. Okay, the last one is conclusion. The power of literary translation. Literary translation is more than just a linguistic transfer. It is an act of cultural preservation and connection, fostering empathy and understanding across the globe. Translation is not a matter of words only. It is a matter of making intelligible a whole culture. Anthony Burgess. Cultural exchange, essential for cultural exchange, empathy, and global understanding. Legacy and Horizons preserves the legacy of literature while opening new horizons for readers everywhere. Vital art, let us appreciate translation as a vital art that connects humanity through stories. Okay, I think it's enough from our group.
Okay, this concludes our presentation on translation in English literature. Thank you for your attention and time. We hope our presentation has been useful and provided new insight about literary translation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.